This video clip is to instruct users how to use the flood simulation system of Tha Wang Pha district, Nan Province by inputting a water level at the station N64. When obtaining the station N64 water level, use that figure to subtract from 20.2 meters, which is a constant that compensates for the elevation of the area. For example, on the 9th of August 2023 at 5 a.m., the station N64 water level was 8.84 meters. The flooding water level is 20.2 subtracted by 8.84, and the result is rounded up to 11.4 meters. This is the figure being input in the simulation. The flooded areas are displayed in blue together with area extent, affected people, and damage value on the dashboard.